Alrighty guys, so what I've done here is I've just come through and I've opened up the research of existing products. Now on Compass, you're about to find a template document, which is going to say templates for folios. Now this is going to have information here, which I have modified, so not all of it is correct, which means if you try to copy and paste, number one, I'll be aware because I know what the information is, and number two, you're going to have some issues because it's going to be wrong. But for example, within this research of existing solutions page, all you're going to come through and do is you're going to copy this, move it across and paste it. Now, of course, we don't need two headings twice, so let's remove that heading. Now, also, when you're doing this, try to make it as aesthetically pleasing as possible. So definitely do feel free to modify this, make it prettier, change it up, because we don't want every document looking the same, but you won't lose marks if you don't. It's just let's try and make it as pretty as possible. This is what it's all about. From here, all you're going to come through and do is you can definitely remove some of that info there because once again, it's not your info. This was to show you what a basic standard would look like. This is fine. It's satisfactory work. And I know that you can do better. So we're going to come through here. We're going to delete this, but that definitely gives you an idea of what is required, like what a basic satisfactory result would look like. Because you want to be specific when you're doing this. Now, ideally, in my world, you'd want as much info as possible, and it can be annoying to operate this one because it is a hidden table. So there's a table that's hidden there. Then I would copy. Let's say you got to do 6 of these. I'd paste it 6 times. I'd then come through, get that ongoing evaluation, and I'd just drag that down to where it's not required or where it's not going to be a pain anymore, like so. And it can at times. Okay, so that's actually gotten caught in that table, which is why it was giving you hassle there. So you got to make sure it's out of the tables. And then you can go through and fill this in with your own information. That is how you need to do it. Now, there is one of these for every single one of these documents. I will go through and I'll explain each one as we go after we've done this. But for now, let's get that done and then let's keep working on your assessment task. Anyway, see you guys in the next lesson.